Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a website without creating one yourself. So you'll go to a website that does auction, and then you'll bid for the website, and hopefully you'll be able to buy one. It's not that expensive really. So let's go over to a website, go to Flippa.com is the website, the auction website that you can buy a website. um, let's say you're doing affiliate marketing or Amazon Associates program. So do Amazon affiliate search, and here they are. So these are some of them are pricey, but if you get a website that is started or that is new, they just created it, then it should be cheaper. See the pricing here. So let's scroll down to $40. So people bid these websites. Here is one, outdoormanscave.com. Okay, that's potential one. It's one of 150. So let's see, view this listing. I don't know, for some reason this is a starter website, but buy it now price is 4,800. Reserve price is $2. I believe this is a potential website. The reserve is like the person would sell it if it reaches that price. So I think he just wanted to buy a price for the buy it now. Like if you want to buy it right now, you can do that. But you see here 4 days left. So you can bid on this website. You can look at it. You can look at the description here. The client's starter template, seller's notes here. It's an excellent Amazon affiliate website offering 300 plus outdoor related products like grills, heaters, entertainment, etc. With, I don't want to say that word here. Staying at home is the thing. Reserve is $2. Yeah, this is a starter website, and when you look at these products, grills, heaters, entertainment. So mostly like the grills, those are high ticket products, and the higher the price, the higher the commission that they will get if you successfully sell it. I mean, if you successfully promote the links, that means the person will buy through the link. And Amazon has a 24 tracking. That means if the person clicks and then comes back before the person buys something else, doesn't have to be that product, then you still get credited. You still get paid for that. So that's a good thing. Other affiliate programs will have even cookie tracking for 30 days, even 6 months, 1 year. So that's why affiliate marketing is so powerful. So let's see here, SEO optimization, create SEO content for each of the products, and then website responsiveness. The website is optimized for fast loading and designed to be responsive across a wide range of devices. And then the guy is just pitching here, uh, this domain will be given to you free. And of course it's free. uh, the renewal of the domain will be June 2021. So he just registered this in June because it's usually 1 year. You renew your domain every year mostly. It could be some do it 2 years, some do 3 years, but mostly you renew every year. Business and operations. You need no special program skills. Yeah, mostly this is an a WordPress website, so you can always. It's easy to manage. You don't need any skills. I mean, you need the basics, which is not hard to learn. And this person who is selling this product, this website will give you some uh, guidance on how to go about maybe maintaining the website, renewing, putting in new products, and putting in the product links. And they can do the product links for you, really, because you're doing Amazon Associates, for instance. You go to Amazon and get the links, and then you have to put on your website so that when the person clicks the link, and then it takes them to Amazon, and those are your links. So it tracks back to you. You get the money, you get paid because those are your links. So if you have not opened up an Amazon Associates account or applied for Amazon affiliate, put a link of a video in the description on how to open up an account with Amazon Associates. It should be a straightforward process. It takes like less than 10 minutes. So here you see what a person is talking about full Amazon affiliate store, premium responsive, and original ready design. So he's pitching like, promoting his product. All products pay a high commission, and we can look at it user friendly, backend, full rights to business, code, graphics. Okay, SEO optimized. Yeah, some plugins there. Great domain name, free site transfer, after sales support. This is important, and it says here for 1 month, and it says for newbies too. If you're new, you get bonus. Okay, this is buy it now. I mean, this is 4,800. We don't want to spend 4,800 for a starter website. It doesn't even proven the concept yet. So this is a good website. We can go and look at this website. So let's look at the website. So the website is here. It's not that bad, and it's organized really. The kitchen, grill accessories, grills. You have chuck. So we have grills here. If we click on it, so we click on it, takes a little bit to load, and then shows the price here. Yes, so these are good products. Then if you click, it's on Amazon. So if you click on this link, then it takes us to the link. And we want to know if they have views. You don't want to promote anything, guys. Do the marketing for business with respect. Don't just uh, redirect people to products that are worse, like they are bad products. So, you know, will not trust in you. So business with trust. So 425 ratings is really good. So that's good. So I believe, so do your due diligence by this, but at the same time you can change these products if you want to, and for products that have good ratings, they have good prices, higher ticket products that you can get the money, good money. Commission for Amazon is 10%. So This is good. So you can bid for this. So you go here and you say place the bid. You click on it, and then should be the next price should be probably like $20, depending on how the person set up. Maybe the increment of increments of $1 or $5 or whatever, $10. So, and you can always ask questions to the seller if you have any questions. So contract seller here, yeah, and you can watch. I think I probably was looking at this earlier, and I just I'll let you guys know how how did it sell. So you can watching it. You can see how many watchers, how many views here. Yeah. So go ahead and do that, guys. You can sign up. You can sign up. So it's easy when you go to the form. You can sign up. And I was out here. Start selling or sign in, but register here as a buyer. So here, this website Flippa.com sells all kinds of websites, and I believe sells all kinds of price websites. Look at this, 250,000, and this is confidential. This person is joined, and it's an e-commerce. This is probably a shipping business. That is 7,000, 3,900. So people sell, buy too. So register here, and then you just go through the normal process, giving your names, and then your email address, and then your country, and you can do it from anywhere. And then your phone number there, then create account. Yep, that's it. So if you found value in the video, you click the like button, please, and comment if you have any questions on the answer. Um, Also subscribe for future videos, and so you can go ahead and sign up here. Look out for a website for affiliate marketing, and then go from there. So you can have a website. You can have a website without having any skills. So I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you.